5 Best Organic Dropshipping Suppliers. The demand for organic products is booming, from food and skincare to home goods and clothing. Offering organic products in your dropshipping store is not only profitable, but also a way to attract eco-conscious customers. To succeed in this niche, you need reliable suppliers offering high-quality organic products. In today's video, we'll reveal the 5 best organic dropshipping suppliers to help you grow your business sustainably. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best organic dropshipping suppliers. These suppliers are perfect for anyone selling eco-friendly and sustainable products, including organic food, skincare, clothing, and more. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss our tips, strategies, and supplier recommendations. Let's dive in. At number 5, Green Dropship. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Green Dropship, a supplier specializing in natural and organic products. What they offer. Green Dropship provides a wide range of organic products, including food, beverages, skincare, and household items. Why they're great for dropshipping. Their catalog features well-known organic brands that customers love, making it easy to attract repeat buyers. Fast fulfillment. With warehouses in the US, Green Dropship offers fast and reliable shipping for domestic orders. If you're looking to sell organic food or household items, Green Dropship is a great option to consider. At number 4, Eco Enclose. Coming in at number 4 is Eco Enclose, a supplier focusing on eco-friendly and sustainable packaging solutions. What they offer. Eco Enclose provides 100% recycled and biodegradable packaging materials, including shipping boxes, mailers, and labels. Why it's popular. Offering eco-friendly packaging is a great way to align your brand with sustainability values and appeal to environmentally conscious customers. Dropshipping. Ready. Their products are perfect for dropshipping businesses looking to enhance their branding and reduce their environmental impact. If you want to offer eco-friendly packaging as part of your store's organic ethos, Eco Enclose is a must-have supplier. At number 3, Organically Grown. Next up at number 3 is Organically Grown, a supplier of sustainable and organic clothing. What they offer? Organically Grown specializes in organic cotton apparel for men, women, and children, including basics like t-shirts, dresses, and baby clothing. Why it's great for dropshipping. Their stylish and comfortable designs appeal to customers looking for sustainable fashion options. Global shipping. Organically Grown offers worldwide shipping, making it easy to target eco-conscious buyers globally. If your niche is organic fashion, Organically Grown is a reliable supplier with high-quality products. At number 2, Nature's Brands. Coming in at number 2 is Nature's Brands, a supplier specializing in organic and natural beauty products. What they offer. Nature's Brands offers a wide range of organic skincare, hair care, and makeup products made from natural ingredients. Why they're great for dropshipping. Their products are USDA certified organic, cruelty-free, and eco-friendly, making them perfect for the beauty and wellness niche. Custom branding. They also offer private labeling, allowing you to create your own organic beauty brand. If you're in the beauty niche, Nature's Brands is the perfect supplier to attract eco-conscious customers. At number 1, CJ Dropshipping. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is CJ Dropshipping, a versatile platform with a growing catalog of organic products. What they offer? CJ Dropshipping provides organic and eco-friendly items, including skincare, reusable household items, and organic cotton products. Why they're the best? With global warehouses and seamless integration with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, CJ Dropshipping simplifies your inventory management and order fulfillment. Customization options. They also offer private labeling and branding, giving you the ability to create a unique organic product line. If you want variety, global reach, and customization options, CJ Dropshipping is the ultimate supplier for organic products. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the 5 best organic dropshipping suppliers. Let's quickly recap the list. CJ Dropshipping, best overall for variety, customization, and global fulfillment. Nature's Brands, ideal for organic beauty products with private labeling options. Organically grown, perfect for organic clothing and sustainable fashion. Eco Enclose, a great choice for eco-friendly packaging solutions. Green Dropship, reliable for organic food, beverages, and household items. Which of these suppliers are you most excited to try for your organic dropshipping business? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more tips, strategies, and supplier reviews. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.